This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at haynes.com.
Loosen the tensioner pulley nut, then turn the tensioner adjustment bolt out to loosen the belt. Remove the belt. Repeat this process for the remaining belts. Loosely install the new drive belts and make sure they fit properly in the ribbed grooves in the pulleys. It is essential that the belt be properly centered. The tension of each belt is checked by pushing on the belt at a distance halfway between the pulleys. Tighten the pulley fastener, then back off slightly to allow some play for the belt tensioner. Tighten the tensioner bolt enough to make the belt taut and measurable. Measure the drive belt tension by holding a precision straight edge on 2 pulleys, then push on the belt and observe the proper measurement with your ruler. Each belt should deflect approximately 1/4 of an inch. Once the belt has been adjusted to the proper measurement, tighten the pulley nut securely. Repeat this whole process for the remaining belts.